Hi there, my name is Amina and I am here with Danish, who is a sophomore from Davenport, and he's going to tell us about his project called Quranic Recitations.
Sounds good. Thank you so much. So I have a website I made that explores the different Quranic recitations around the world, and the Quran is recited different ways in different parts of the world. So there's two aspects to the website. There's an interactive map where you can hover over the different countries and see what recitation is pronounced there. And for example, right now we're over Mali and it says Warsh. So that's the specific way it's recited there. But what does that actually mean? And that's what the second part of the Explore section does. So you can click on Warsh, and you can click on it, it gets highlighted, and you can submit it. So once you submit it, you get a page, and you get an audio and an image that accompanies it. And there's one last part that I'd like to show, because it took a long time to make, is that you can press two things. So you can press Qalun and Warsh, for example, and you can submit it. And then you get it side by side, so you can compare the audio, so you can really experience the differences and variations. So that's the overview of the website. There's some information.
Awesome. Yeah, that sounds really intricate as well. I heard you say this was actually the hardest thing. Could you
Yeah.
maybe tell us how you got to debug the situation?
Yeah, the debugging thing, I guess a nature of this course and everything is that you kind of just try things until they work. So the thing was that the buttons, I had to pass the variables into it, and for some reason it was just not working. So I had to make this hidden information box and pass it through that.
Wow.
And then the way that the specific recitation lines up with the audio is that all the file names are named exactly what the buttons are named. So you can just make a string and then add that string into the file thing, and then it shows up. So that it just makes it much easier than having a specific section for each recitation. You can kind of just abstract it away.
Wow. It definitely sounds like you learned a lot.
Yeah, I did, definitely.
Thank you so much, Danish, for
Yeah, no
showing us
problem.
your project today, and thank you for chatting with us.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having us.
And this
Thank
is
you for being a
CS50.
TA.
Thank you. And this is CS50.